This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Joe Petno. Fabulous views of the Myakka River from this one-story, move-in ready home. Minutes from a private boat ramp/park that can be joined for an annual fee of only $100. Open and spacious, with vaulted ceilings. All appliances remain, along with washer and dryer. Kitchen has lots of cabinets, pantry and counter space. Main bedroom has walk-in closet with attached bath, that has tiled walk-in shower, double vanity and linen closet. Large Florida room to enjoy the beauty of the Florida lifestyle. Tons of storage inside and outside the home. Outdoor shed has air conditioner. Garage is equipped with air conditioner and is fully screened. House air conditioner new in 2023. For more information,